Introducing the 2026 Cedar Creek 39 RKB, where luxury, residential comfort, and true four-season performance come together in one stunning fifth wheel. Starting right here on the exterior, you'll notice the bold automotive-style
road-ready
paint
suspension
package
and heavy-duty
high-gloss gel
axles
coat
provide a
fiberglass
smooth
finish that immediately sets this coach apart. Frameless windows, sleek LED lighting, and dual-power awnings with integrated light strips create the perfect outdoor living setup. With 6-point hydraulic auto-leveling, Morid Crew 3000 suspension, and heavy-duty axles, you're getting a smooth, confident tow every time. Up front, the fully enclosed and heated underbelly combined with Cedar Creek's insulated water lines and 12-volt tank heaters means true extended season camping. Massive pass-through storage with motion lighting gives you room for all your gear, and then some. Now step inside, and this is where the 39 RKB truly shines. The rear kitchen design is a showstopper. You get residential solid surface countertops, a stainless farmhouse sink, residential refrigerator, and a full pantry that makes long stays easy and comfortable. The hardwood cabinetry and soft close drawers bring true residential craftsmanship into your RV lifestyle. Upstairs, the spacious bathroom offers a large shower with built-in seat, porcelain foot-flush toilet, and excellent linen storage. And in the master suite, you'll find a king bed, underbed storage, washer-dryer prep, and a large wardrobe designed for extended travel. The 2026 Cedar Creek 39 RKB delivers residential luxury, true four-season capability, and unbeatable comfort, whether you're weekend camping or full-time living. Come see it for yourself. This is Cedar Creek quality at its absolute finest.